Hey guys, for today's video, I'm going to show you on how to remove family link from Google account. This is very quick and easy, so let's start. First thing we need to do is to go to family link application that is installed to our phone. Open it, and so as you can see here, I'm on the app. Next, click profile located in the upper right and click on manage your Google account. Then press data and privacy. Next, press people and sharing. Then click on the name of the family manager. As you can see, there will be an option or a button here that says delete family group. So if you want to remove the family link from the Google account, you just have to click this button, which is I'm going to click it here. There you go. You will need to input your password and that's it. Hope this helps and see you on the next one.